Thomas Magnum here.
Hey, he can't call us on this.
I'd like to order a large pizza.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, well, make it about 8 o'clock.
Great, you have a phone.
That's right. And you don't.
Scotty, I need more power.
It's a good thing I got this cellular phone.
Ticketmaster is busy?
I have to call everyone I have ever met right now.
I'm gonna call you back.
Are you telling me I can still flummox this thing with something I bought at Radio Shack?
Blumberg Productions.
Too cocky.
I'm trying to talk to a CTU agent named Jack Bauer.
And if you find someone to love the you love.
Hi. Smile.
Wow, behavioral analysis unit.
And I know everything.
Kelly Kapoor. What a delicious surprise.
You sent her an emoticon of a bee in an ice cube?
Look, if you go, I am gonna have to eat both of these.
I'm just running cellular triangulation on the message.
Oh no, tilt over skinny.
He Latino. See, bitch.
Why is it called an iPhone?
I'll explain after I install it.
Neat.